Okay, Miss, I'm enjoying myself. It's your girl Commander. I'm holding down the stage for you. But I've got a very important announcement because our next artist is ready. All the way from Accra. This artist is the best new artist of the year. Most popular Afrobeat artist of the year. Serious accolades. Make some noise for Kwadjo.
Yo, London, what's up, people? I present Kwadjo Black. I want to see everyone like this. Little more hands for Kwadjo. Waiting, to the left, to the right. Hey. Anytime you're turning around, I want to see your back to it, back to it. The way they move, I know people they compose it. I see that back to me. Hey, back to my dragon. Give me that evil fire. Like you said, like the way they go. I see that. Yo, suggest. Sing on me, money cool. I see that. These kind of business you work today, when they go. Mama into me. What's into business? They made me throw it. See, one man into tonight. You standing ovation. Got into business like this. Big shout out to Paradise. Hey, how many of you follow this song? That she didn't know because the black made this song. Hey, what's it there? She put the money for her system. She gets the problem of feeling. He gets the one I need to suffer. She give the love in education. Oh shit! Slow and everybody did. They like a body to make a sauce. Oh my God, they can't wait like it. I give me nothing right now from my chocolate. This girl with the wine now. Come on, miss me, not your best time. Come on. I've been that one for the center. And you give me a little do that. You make a fire to that. What's it there? Spread, back, up, yeah. I know you back. Just take, yeah. Come make I give you that. Oh, shit. Yeah. I know you back your back. Hey. Do that, make I talk to them. Big shout out to DJ Fifi, I see you. Come on. Make I hear you say boss to my dragon. Boss to my dragon. Make I hear you say boss to my dragon. Boss to my dragon. Make I hear you say boss to my dragon. My dragon. DJ. Ladies and gentlemen, all my sexy ladies. I know this is your favorite film. I said 1, 2, 3. Yeah, boom to that beat, boom to that beat, boom to that beat, boom to that beat, boom to that beat. I said 1, 2, 3, everybody scream. I said no, baby, now to line of the process. And it don't be like some man, and put it on there. It is me like that. Any other going on. Are you ready? See, come and give me some gas. Let me go, yeah. Come on, let's go. Say you want to, sing it. Say you want to sing it. Say you want to get things in there. I love you. Say you want to sing it. Say you want it again. Everybody put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air.
Oh shit.
Charlie, I got a new one here. How many of you know the new one? Yeah, I see my sexy ladies there. Hey, I see you. If you don't tell me the sexy lady, I want to see your hands in the air. Yeah. And I see some boys there who raise their hands too. Yeah, you the sexy lady. You the sexy man, I see you. Boss, make I hear you say, boss, more dragon.
Boss, more dragon.
Make I hear you say, boss, more dragon.
Boss, more dragon.
I don't hear more. Make I hear you say, mini, boss, more dragon. Hey, DJ, where?
Hey, let me get you feeling Kwadjo black. When I say Kwadjo, you say black. Kwadjo, Kwadjo.
This be for my sexy ladies. Hey.
Oh, come on.
Hey.
1, 2, 3, everybody dance. Everybody
Can't remind me to nobody. Stick to me, that's why I'm Kwadjo. Hey, but you need love me. Don't need me make up for some actually. I know say you back on. You don't need me, hey, you don't need. Oh, take everybody but today. Papa say my hand, I'm open. I know say everybody will be fine. I know you must take it for nobody. One day, man. Are you ready? Let I hear you. Say, like Fanta man, baby. Say, Fanta man, baby. No, yo, I can't you must get. Look on my way. It's not how I'm not going. I'll be daddy. If you slow down, I can not go. If you slow down, I don't race. Give me playboy, I'll be daddy. If you slow down, 1, 2, 3, come on. I said 1, 2, 3, I see you, Angel, I see you. And like if you feel it, let me hear you put your blood. Yo, we are about to drop the hot tension. I want to see everybody on your 10 toes, you know. Ghana is in the fucking building, you know. So when I'm going to drop that particular song, I want to see everybody ready. Yo, give me 50. Everybody, come on, where are you? Switch up on the scene, explain. Girls, they really so understand. Always running up to change your mind. Yes, you better, I know dead. Now you want to be next.
Work on me, work on me, work on me, work on me, work on me.
me. Oh, I'm shaking it. Why she will watch on it? Some boy you dream of it, you have it, make cookies of it. Nobody now play shit. See good body shape. Yeah, boy, you probably start again. Turn up the light. Oh, turn up the light. Look at me, cause I said, you know what you want.
This is Ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name Big Paradise. I run this session with DJ Speech. Mommy, come on.
Good time? Are we having a good time? If you're proud SM fan, let me see your hands in the air right now. My name is MC Miguel. I'm coming all the way from the 233 Ghana. Where are my proud Ghanaians here in London? Make some noise! I don't know if all the MCs have done this today, but I want everybody to give me a respect to Shatta Fest. Ghana party in the park if you're ready. Say Papa! Are you ready for DJ Fifi? Alright, let's do a little acapella real quick. I know my Ghana people know this song. Are you ready? Sergeant Lee. Oh, Tashi. Hey, baby. Aha, we taking over. I say UK, we taking over. Make I tell you, say, this be 21st Ghana party in the park. Yeah, Beji, and me. We are proud of your gun in here. Page on someone, so let me try here. If you're ready for Shatta Fest, make some noise. Ladies and gentlemen, it's only respectful that I call my sister, MC Fifi or Hima, all the way from Canada. Make some noise for MC Fifi or Hima. Alright, so I didn't talk too much. I want her to say hello real quick, then we get on business.
Good day, London! I go by the name of Fifi and MC Fifi or Hima, sorry. And I'm all the way from Toronto, Canada. Y'all heard of Toronto before, right? Yeah! Y'all love Drake, right? Oh, I need you guys to come out to Toronto and celebrate. I'm hosting this version in Toronto tomorrow, and I'm going to tell them how amazing it was to see all y'all here. The guys in London are unmatched. Big up yourselves, wait. Big up yourselves.
Make some noise for Fifi or Hima. Are you ready, Fifi DJ? Let's run it. Page up yourself. You can't page up yourself. You can't page up yourself. Ladies, yeah, baby. I swear I like. See this smell, let's go. Everybody, come on. To the left, to the right. Everybody, let's go. You can't move today. Obiabuaha, what about Pigeon? Something right here. Are you ready? Let's go, Fifi. Everybody, wave your. If you're the corner flag, wave the flag. Let's go. 1, 2, everybody. To the left, to the right. I want to see Ghana flags. I want to see Ghana flags. I see thee. I see you, my brother. What's up? Let's go. Hey, hey. London, what's the day? Anybody called Angela here? Any Angela here? Any Angela here? If you're celebrating your birthday today, put your hands in the air right now. Where are my August bonds? If you're celebrating your birthday, say oh! Alright, DJ Fifi, what are you saying? Are we on deck right now? I want somebody to give me his or her favorite Shatta Fest song. Which song? Yawani. Yawani. Let's go. Everybody put your hands up. Go now, put your hands up. When I say Shatta, you say that. I say Shatta. 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 Oh, hey. I'll say that. Shout out to you, my brother. Let's go. Okay. 1, 2, sexy girl from Ghana. She too fine, she went up a kind, I call her sexy Nana. Yeah, she killing me inside, I can't deny her. Yeah, you big up the instrumental, straight from Ghana. Yeah, say I need you. I've been rocking every party, all the sexy ladies. Pull up and do the dirty way for me. I've been killing every show, every day. I'm getting money, and I wanna spend it all on the ground of my toes. And that's you, my baby. What you think I need? What am I showing fans? What are we talking about? People I never seen. We must say, pim, in online we are thinking. If you look a king on the whistle, let's talk to your baby. I love you, this thing. And you say that's a mother. You talk, it's a baby, what's a mother? Hey, you talk, man, I want to see. One time, you talk, it's a mother. Chocolate girl from Guyana. Hello. Make Shatta Fame brothers on inside. See me, I no get that TV. Wake up, everybody. So much love to give. Wait a minute. So much love to give. Wait, everybody, let's go. I found you. All out of what? All out of mercy. Yeah. All the TV way you. All the way to the yeah, mama, yeah. Ladies, I love the power with you. Is anybody in love here? Are you in love? If you love, put your hands in the air. If you love, put your hands in the air. Yeah, cut. I can't tell you, say, give me joy. Anything that goes out, give me love. Other boys will move anyone. Hey, I can't tell you, say, give me joy. Anything that goes out, give me love. Other boys will move anyone. 1, 2, 3. What's the name? Everybody. Hey, one time. Hey, you drive me crazy. Here we go. What you say now? 1, 2, 1, 2. I don't know who to do the work, but I can you know they're giving up on the replies. Hey, when you send me names for Insta, yeah, if I slide, you know the back. Answer the phone, you know the answer. Why they say you know the need me? What they do to me? I want to go out. Yeah, I'm in love with you. See, I don't want nobody. I don't want nobody. I love the things you do. I don't want nobody. Hey, I don't want nobody. So I don't want nobody. I don't wanna live a day without you. If it's good, let's stop and say you get it. Hey. I don't wanna live a day without you. If you say I do so things, I just 1, 2, 3, what's the name? What is you for the one day? Yo, this is a party session for me. This is a party session. MC, I'm going to buy a job. Let me give it a big track back. Let me take you right into this one. Remember the things when we do the see me and you want it down. See, you know the heart in a vendor. You know the promise, you say it's on the name. But you do it, you dance, you get that body. Put my life in it. Never know you and I go be. Talk to me, say. Wherever you get. show. And on one. See, I don't have to make no chance for people. So let me use yours. So make it be best. And use your sense. I should have stresses, I put confess. I mean, it don't be waste, it don't be test. The jack guys are all on breath. Yeah. So make it tough. So make it feel. Can you bring your hand back inside? Everyone, you ready to sing this one? Sing. Yo, I need you to sing it. On the name of the day. Yeah, I know it's wrong. Hey. I know they want. Hey, every day. I want you. It's just a dream. What's that? Shake it. When are you when I'm at the lake? When only I do I can take. You know you will be mad at day. You should see my baby. Talk to me. But you for take it easy, yeah.
If you know the rush and blow your meter,
what's the name?
just get your hustle on.
That is why you pay for land. Use your head and use your hand. Hey, what you every brother, man. Everybody!
Okay.
So keep doing what you're doing.
And don't watch nobody.
What's it? Now who you for listen to me? Look and see. See.
So in the end, they go leave you lonely.
So let your own history, yeah.
Alive. Make some noise. Ghana Party in about 2026. Are you enjoying yourself? When you're sure here. Okay. Miss, I'm enjoying myself. It's your girl Commander. I'm holding down the stage for you. But I've got a very important announcement because our next artist is ready.